Okay, I will show you how I made this. We are using a Thomas model engine with a wooden version, and we'll show you the process. We gotta disassemble the entire model engine. So we have two versions. This one right here is not the one I will use for the stickers. I'm using the one is flat on the back. Okay, now let's begin. First, I'm gonna use my crowbar and try to loosen the wheels, gentle, up and down, left or right. Try to loosen like this, and then you can easily remove. You gotta keep moving it, you know, so we can lose the wheels. And again, the same the same steps you gotta do with all the wheels. Once you got the wheels removed, I'm gonna use my riveting tool and remove the wheels. As you can see right here, very easy. The riveting tool helps a lot. Same, you gotta do the same steps to all the three wheels. Now we have the wheels ready, and we gotta split the beam on the Thomas from the body. And to do that, I'm gonna use my flat screwdriver and put it right here between the beam and the body, and we gotta move up and down, gentle, and then go on the back. The same, you gotta do it again and again. I gotta do this very careful so I will not break those wooden pins located in the middle of the beam and the body. So you got to do it very careful so you don't break them. As you can see right here, take your time. It doesn't take so long. It takes only the entire work takes only 20 minutes. Now don't forget to mark the arrow, so the direction the magnets are. Now we got to remove the firebox, and to do that I will use my screwdriver, flat screwdriver, and gentle move up and down, left or right, whatever you want to call it. As you can see, now it's a little bit loose, and I will do this really gentle. As most try to do your best. Don't force it too much, because there is a chance that you can break the firebox, and there is only one nail between the firebox and the wood, and that's the only thing that attaches the firebox to the body. Now I will use a little piece of sandpaper and do a little bit of sanding, so that way our new paint will have more chance to stick better to the project. You gotta do most of it. You don't need to do it if you don't want to. Now we have a good paint on the roof and on the cowl box or whatever you call it, and I'm gonna use tape to cover that black area so I don't have to repaint it again. Now this nail, once I put it back, is not gonna work, so we need to remove the face. Now these faces are really glued, very strong glue they use, and as you can see right here, I almost break the face, so I don't want to do that, and I will use my vice tool and press the knife and cut the face off. Some of these faces have 4 pins that holds the face with a firebox, and this one has only 2, and that's the reason I use the knife, because I had no idea if this one had 2 pins. Now the nail is bent, but it's not a big deal. I'm going to use my pliers and fix it. Now we are ready to paint. The next steps are really easy. You know how to paint. I already showed you on my videos. We're gonna paint one side first. We got the paint, white paint, semi-gloss on the face and on the body. and the wheels, we paint one side first, and now we gotta paint the other side. Now we are done with the silver color for the face, the body, and the wheels are also done. So we have two sides ready now. Of course, you gotta wait until one side of the black color dries and then paint. Now we gotta paint the eyes and the mouth. Unfortunately, my kids use my black paint. I'm using my marker, and the eyebrows, as you can see, are really bad. But anyways, you got the idea. And now we are using our oil marker so we can erase or cover the Thomas name under the body. And we can do a little bit of touch up on this beam or wooden piece. Now we discussed online, I mean on the live streaming, that we can put a red line on the footplate. So we're gonna use our oil-based marker, and as you can see right here, I'm using my finger as a guide against the wood, and you can get a straight line. And now let's put the wheels back together. It's not really complicated, very easy. Now I will show you how I use the vise, so I can compress the wheels and put them back to the way they were before I disassembled the entire model. So again, take your time. It doesn't take too long. Again, it took me like 24 minutes of work to do this, because you know you gotta wait for the paint to dry, but the work takes only 24 minutes. Now we use our vise tool and to press the wheels against each other, very gentle, and we are done. It's not that much of work once you have, I mean, if you have the right tools. Now we gotta nail back the firebox to the body of Thomas, and it's very easy. And as you can see, that's the reason we remove the face, because the nail goes all the way in. As you can see right here, it's a little loose, but I will use this metal pin and finish the job to nail the firebox all the way in. As you can see right now, we are done with this part. And let's put the face. We gotta glue it, and I have here my hot glue gun ready, and you can use other type of glue, super glue, whatever, but super glue leaves you a white mark. So I'm gonna use a hot glue gun here with the hot glue will do the job, and definitely it's not a big deal. So what do you guys think? I think we are good. Now let's remove the tape, the masking tape. As you can see, we save a lot of work by covering with masking tape. Now to finish, as you can see right here, the edges are a little crappy, so we just use our oil-based marker, very gentle on the edges, and try to make a smooth finish on the edges. As you can see right here, this is something that everybody can do it. So I'm just showing you how I do the process. You can take your time and do a better job than mine, and the purpose of this video is just to show you an entertainment, so you can do at home. Now let's put back Thomas. Remember, the arrow is facing forward, and that's the way. Don't forget, because the magnets, if you messed up, the magnets will be wrong. So anyways, I don't have a good marker for the lines here. I will use my paintbrush, and this is just a sample. Again, you can do it better than me. I'm just showing you how to do it, and the way I did it. So you can also draw the lines or the number like these ones, but I'm using the stickers. right here is better and easy for me. There is a line here where the wood joins, see that line, and that's my main point where the base where I use to design the sticker size. So it's not really complicated, very easy. Same to the other side, there's the joint, and then based on that we are gonna use that as a guide to put the stickers, and we are done. Very easy. Remember, if you guys want to buy the stickers, I'm including 4 stickers, so you can build 2 of these Thomases at home. Everybody has a wooden Thomas. The link is below. If you are international buyer, send me a message. And again, remember, the back of this, the sticker will not fit for this model. It only fits for the one is flat on the back. Okay, I hope you like this video, and thank you very much, and see you next time. Bye.